How to cash advance in BDO credit card. I'm going to tell you how to cash advance using your BDO credit card. First, you'll need your card and a valid PIN. If you haven't set up your PIN yet, you can request one through BDO's customer service or at any BDO branch. Once you have it, head to any BDO ATM or any ATM with a MasterCard or Visa logo, insert your card, input your PIN, and select credit card, then cash advance. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, confirm, and wait for the transaction to process. The cash will dispense instantly. Keep in mind, BDO charges a cash advance fee and daily interest begins the moment you withdraw. So use this feature only when necessary. You can also check your available cash advance limit on the BDO app or website under your credit card details. Always check fees and terms before proceeding to avoid surprises.